Today we're going to be talking about how to delete sermons from your server. Now the first thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to delete the sermons from the website. And in order to do that, you're going to go to Sermons, click on Sermons, and choose the sermon that you want to delete. And say we want to delete this sermon. What we're going to do is we're going to hover over this sermon, and it gives us a number of options here: to edit, quick edit, trash, or to view. The first thing we want to do to get rid of it is we want to click on trash. When you click on trash, it will not actually delete that sermon. What it's going to do is it's going to put it into a container here called trash, another tab called trash. So at this point I want to click on trash, and you can see we have 62 sermons in trash right now. So we have to click on trash, and then we see all the different sermons that we are able to delete. The last one that I deleted was this one here, and if I hover over any of these sermons, it gives me the option here to either restore the sermon or to delete that one permanently. So in this case, I don't really want to delete this sermon, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on Restore. When I click on Restore, it's going to put it back into your Published Sermons tab. That's where all the sermons are that are on the website. To get rid of all the sermons that you don't want, you have to go through and put them in trash first. Then you have to go to your trash folder, and now you can delete any one of these permanently. You can either go through and delete them one by one just by hovering over and clicking on Delete Permanently, or you can delete all the sermons that are on this page all at once. And to do that, what you're going to do is you're going to click right up here on the top. You're going to click on that. You'll notice that all the sermons on the whole page, as we scroll down, they're all checked. So I'm going to want to delete all those sermons. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on, here's the action that I do to everything that's checked. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the drop down, and I'm going to click on Delete Permanently. So now all of these sermons, when I click on Apply, will be deleted permanently. So I'm going to click on Apply, and all those sermons from that page are all deleted. You'll notice that the amount of sermons in the folder is now down to 41. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm still in the trash folder. You can tell because it's in black. So I want to delete all the sermons in the trash folder on this page. I'm going to click in here again. You'll notice they all get checked. I'm going to go in the drop down, click on Delete Permanently, click on Apply, and now that page of sermons is now deleted. There's 20 sermons on a page. So now when I look in trash, that's now down to 21. So I'm just going to keep on doing that until all the sermons are deleted. Now I only have one more sermon, and I'm just going to go in and delete this one manually. Click on Delete Permanently. Now they're all deleted. Now at this point they're deleted from your website, but they're not deleted from the server. So what you're going to want to do here is you're going to, well, first of all, we'll take a look and see what sermons you still have published, and you still have all the newest sermons published. And we can tell we're in that tab because that's in black. Now to delete them from the server, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into Media, and I'm going to click on the library. And here we have all the media that's on your website. There's PDF files, we have MP3s. The MP3s are the sermons. We have, I guess we have some pictures here, so we have a bunch of different things. What I'm going to want to do is I'm going to want to select just from the sermons. So right now they're all sort of together, the PDF files, pictures, any media that you have in here. So in order to only see the sermons, what I'm going to do first of all is I'm going to select from this drop down all the audios, because all of your sermons are audios, and that will show me only the audios, and this will make it a little bit easier for me to select the ones I want to delete. You can see all the new sermons are still here, but you can also see the ones that we deleted. The older ones from 2015, those are still on the server. So until these are deleted from the server, you're still going to have that space taken up on the server. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on bulk select, and now every sermon that I select will get a check mark in that sermon. So I'm just going to go through and select all the ones that I want to delete from the server. That doesn't look like a sermon, so I'm not going to delete that. I'm going to click on this one here, these here. And I'm going to delete all of these sermons from the server. So I'm going to go back up here. Now all the ones that I have checked, when I click on delete selected, those are all going to be deleted. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to delete the selected. It gives me another chance here to get rid of them or not. I'm going to say okay, because I do want to get rid of them. And now all those sermons are gone. We look here, and the last sermon that we saved was from well, I'm not sure, but the ones that we had checked are now gone from your server. So that's how we delete sermons from the website and from the server.